Hey guys, I'm back again. I know you guys, I can see the way you viewed the video for Cash for Life that you're so much interested, so I'll give it to you. Okay, so what we're going to do with Cash for Life, that's 148, the first code. What you do is pin 418. So now once you've done that, you see 1 plus 48 is 49. 1 minus that is 47. And then you spin here, you get a what? It's a 46, definitely. And then we also have 48 there. You have a 14, you have a 47 from the first code. So at the bottom, we can check there's an 18 there. There is a 4 and a 8. So you can use the first code just for like the beginning. But I do recommend you guys, when you're doing Cash for Life, play 3 numbers. Don't mind, play 3 numbers because it pays so much, So when you boom, at least you've got something. Okay, let's go to the second code again. Second code is 690. This one is actually accurate because you just have to get a 6 and a 9. So if we say 6 plus 9, let's say 15. 6 minus 9, it's a 3. I don't know how many numbers does Cash for Life has, but if there's a 15, you have to spin to make it 51. I don't know if it does have more than 50 numbers, but if it has less, then don't spin that 15, leave it as a 15, and then we have a 6 and a 9. Okay, then the last code is 3 2 7. Okay, so here you're going to say 32 plus 7 equals to a 39, which is a 36 when you spin it. 32 minus 7, how much is that? Should be 25. 25, which is a 52, if it has numbers above 55, so meaning it's going to be 52. But if it doesn't, then leave it as it is, because it's my first time to do this draw, so I'm not sure if these guys, they do have more numbers like make a million. Then after that, you go again and say 327. So you're going to say 3 plus 27 is equals to 30. 3 minus 27 equals to 24. Now you see, because sometimes they do bring it like 3, 27, 30. It's just the 3 numbers. Imagine if that can come. Then after, when you're done with that, you're going to draw your code. 148 690 327. So now we are having an accurate I is a 49. It is a 29. It's a 7. It's a 37. Then 18. Okay, so I think I'm going to add another additional strategy on top of this code. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so what you do, let's take the previous numbers. Take previous, okay, I'm just going to say, okay, with the previous numbers. Okay, so previous numbers were 34, and then it's 23, 16, then it's 27, 39. 39 came today, so it was a boom, guys, because I did these are previous results. Okay, so the answer is, you know what you have to do? You have to add all these numbers, and then you're gonna get what? 139. When you get 139, you see 139 plus bonus. I'm showing this one for free, guys. Plus bonus 2. You're gonna get what? You're gonna get 226. 26. Then from there, you have your codes, then you can just break it. This is how they normally do in this draw. So this is another way of you guys catching up on what you call Cash for Life. So yes guys, for those of you who want to purchase the book, here's the number. So tired today, I was fighting with UK Fortnite. It's been a long day. Thank you very much guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you.